What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Day number 4 of Demolition. Man, they got a lot more done today. Man, they got a heck of a lot more done today. Yep, they're getting ready to start knocking this side down pretty soon. Not bad at all. Just sitting here having a vape, giving you guys a look at what was going on today. Yep, not bad at all. Comes my girlfriend pulling up next to me.
Hey.
Hey.
Over there by the hot dog stand, they got it really tore down too.
Yeah, I know, I seen it. Yeah, they got a lot of it done today. But I talked to the lady in Dottie's. They said they're going to be out of here by after Christmas.
Yeah, so they can do this.
Yeah, because they're going to start knocking this side down. Man, they got a heck of a lot more done today. No, I know. Where you going now? Going by your work. No, I know. I'm just sitting over here just hanging out for a few. Love you, babe. Love you too. Yep, that's my girlfriend. Yep, they got a heck of a lot more done today. Yeah, I'm just hanging out vaping right now. Yep, this whole neighborhood's coming up, guys. Man, look at all this traffic. Holy crap, there's a lot of traffic behind me. Seems like everybody's trying to cut through here. Me, I'm just trying to relax till all this traffic dies down. I seen all that traffic, I'm like, maybe I might want to park in here for a while. Try to stay out of that traffic. Everybody else is trying to dodge the traffic coming through here. And that right there, I don't know what the heck that is. That device with the solar panels on. It's got some kind of camera up there. I don't know what the heck did they use that for. Maybe for security, maybe? Maybe to watch the property? I don't know. Oh, that's pretty cool. They got the gate right there, so you can't get in. It says, do not enter private property. So I'm just sitting right here vaping and hanging out. Man, look at all these cars. Steadily cutting through here, trying to beat the traffic. Yep, there's a lot of traffic coming down this street. You got a UPS truck right there stuck in traffic. You got Walgreens right there. You got some kind of Italian restaurant right there. And on the other side, you got Burger King. Burger King is about to get remodeled over here. Coming up in a couple of months. They're gonna start working on that. They're gonna remodel the whole inside of Burger King and the outside. Walgreens, I don't know if they're doing any work to Walgreens, but I think that's staying the same. But on this side right here, the side that they haven't tore down yet, you still got electric. I don't know how the hell they got electric in this side and the other side over there. Maybe the other side is on a different grid, maybe. Maybe this side is on a different grid too, so maybe that's how they're able to keep electric in one side and turn off the electric to the other side that they're turned on. Yep, this is the kind of work I want to do. I want to get a job doing this kind of work. Get a job just driving a bulldozer all day. Well, you figure for a movie theater, you figured it would be tearing down the back mall back there too to add on, but I don't know. I asked one of the construction guys yesterday if that was the deal. He said he didn't know. He was new on the site, so. Well, you figure for a movie theater, you would need a lot more parking than what they have right here. And you're putting 5 businesses in here too with the movie theater. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. I wish I could see the blueprints, then I could tell you guys how they're gonna do it, but I don't got no way to get a hold of the blueprints for this. But what I'm thinking, that the mall back there that's not being used either, I figure maybe that'll be tore down too, and this parking lot will be moved up or moved back to the other side over there too, and the building will be built on the other side over there. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. Well, if they put a movie theater right there, and this is going to be the only parking they have, it's going to be so packed you can't even find parking. Because you're going to have 5 businesses on top of it. So we're just going to have to wait and see. But what I'm guessing, the mall, all the way over there on the other side of this building, I'm thinking it's going to be a part of this. Because you need a big parking lot for a movie theater. And you're going to have 5 businesses on top of it. Yeah, you're going to need a a lot of parking spots. So that's my guess, but I don't know for sure. But that's the way I would do it. But for a movie theater, this movie theater is going to have 13 screens, so it's going to be a pretty big movie theater. And you're going to have a sit-down restaurant, and you're going to have another chicken place over here. And I don't know what else they're going to have. Like some kind of LA fitness club maybe. They're putting over here too, so we're just going to have to wait and see. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching today. Thanks for all the support, guys. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment, and you guys have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for all the support. You guys are the best. See you guys on the live stream tonight, guys. You guys have a great one. Yep, it's getting dark right now, guys. Have a great day. Bye. There's a lot of traffic, so that's why I'm just going to sit here and just relax. Bye, guys.